Hello differential equation students. In this video we'll learn about first order linear differential equations. A first order linear differential equation is one of the form dy dx plus p of x times y is equal to q of x. To solve an equation of this form, we follow the following algorithm. To solve, we multiply both sides by e to the integral of p of x dx. So, the function that multiplies y in the equation is the function that you will integrate and then exponentiate. This is referred to as the integrating factor. Once we've found the integrating factor, we will look to see the product rule on the left-hand side of the equation. And then integrate. So let's see an example of this technique in practice. Let's consider the following differential equation. dy dx plus 2 over x times y equals x cubed. Our equation matches the form given above, where p of x is 2 over x and q of x is x cubed. Following the technique, we will multiply both sides of the equation by this factor, e to the integral of p of x dx. So, e to the integral of p of x dx, in our case, is e to the integral of 2 over x dx. An antiderivative of 2 over x is twice the natural log of x. So this is e to twice the natural log of the absolute value of x, which can be simplified using properties of logarithms to e to the log of x squared. Using the fact that e and log are inverse functions, we see that the factor we'll multiply both sides of our equation by is simply x squared. So, we will now multiply the ODE by x squared. Let's do that. We'll have x squared times dy dx plus, when I multiply 2 over x by x squared, I get 2x times y. And when I multiply x cubed by x squared, I get x to the 5th power. Now, I look at the left-hand side, and I see, as mentioned above, that the left-hand side is a perfect derivative. It looks like the product rule. The left-hand side is the derivative with respect to x of x squared times y. And we can briefly pause and check that. It's the first function, x squared, times the derivative of the second function, dy dx, plus the second function, y, times the derivative of the first function, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. So the derivative of x squared times y is equal to x to the 5th power. And now we can integrate both sides and conclude that x squared y is equal to x to the 6th over 6, since that's the integral of x to the 5th power, plus a constant c. And that is the solution of our differential equation. Thanks a lot.